Big news for one of the world's social media obsessions. Twitter announced it is going public Thursday through a tweet. Well, what'd you expect? The company said it filed an S-1 with the Securities and Exchange Commission for a planned initial public offering, or IPO. According to Bloomberg, the confidential filing allows Twitter to go forward with its IPO without exposing its finances. Estimates about the company's worth range from $9 billion to $11 billion. VentureBeat points out only companies with revenue below $1 billion are allowed to file confidentially, but added the IPO will likely be at about a $15 billion to $20 billion valuation, given that Twitter last raised money at close to a $10 billion value and has raised a total of $1.16 billion in funding. According to CBS, many didn't expect the IPO to come so soon. Twitter CEO Dick Costolo said back in January he didn't want the company to have to bend to shareholders' wishes. Twitter's announcement is said to be the most exciting social media IPO since Facebook, which begs the question, will things fall apart the same way? Many analysts describe Facebook's IPO as botched. The share price started at a high $38, then quickly plummeted to $17.55 just a few months after Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg rang the opening bell. But it's important to note Facebook stock hit an all-time high Wednesday, reaching $45.09 in an impressive comeback in a little more than a year. One market researcher told the Wall Street Journal Twitter's $583 million in ad revenue shows promise. Their growth trajectory over the last few years has been very, very strong. Twitter was able to monetize mobile user growth much more effectively than most other digital platforms. Goldman Sachs has been named Twitter's lead underwriter for its IPO. The company has not yet announced exactly when it will go public. For Newsy, I'm Christian Bryant.